Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to Crypto for You. I know I haven't been on YouTube for a while, but I want to explain why. Look at this. I've actually been doing a ton of programming. I've been learning a ton of different languages like JavaScript, Solidity, Ethereum, Python, and more. I'm hoping to go into the web development space of blockchain. That would be very interesting. Not only that, but I've been attending different conferences and different courses over the last 5 months. Like, I went and attended the Ethereum Seattle, which is a very interesting conference, and I got to meet people from 1inch and people from Block Native, which are two very interesting decentralized companies. Also, I've been to the University of Washington for a competition, hackathon, which is called Case Hack, where we had to design a website with our team of 4. We did win 3rd place, which is very, very exciting, but other than that, I've been busy working with programming and trading. But I did decide to give you guys a video, and hopefully I will continue to do YouTube videos and I'll get back at them. So anyway, let's go straight there. So if we go to my computer right over here, you guys can see this. This is Ethereum. Now, Ethereum has been falling a lot, just like Bitcoin. It has fallen 81% over the last year. And we have recently actually entered something called a falling wedge. Now, this is actually a bullish pattern, which is very great for Ethereum. I recently saw a ton of different data to suggest that Ethereum could be starting a bull run very, very soon. And this is what I want to talk to you guys about. So, number one, the thing that has been holding us back, the reason why we have been falling was because we actually rose a lot over here. So we needed a correction. But every single time we were trying to rise, the thing that was holding us back was this resistance line right over here. This resistance line is very, very powerful. We have tested it once. We have tested it twice. 3 times, 4 times, and we are going for the 5th time right now. And the thing is, this resistance line, every single time we tapped it, has caused Ethereum to crash into a bigger, lower low, going to the downside, going farther into its bear market. But anyway, let's continue. As you can see, we're right now about to test it one more time. But the reason that I'm very bullish right now is because we have already tapped it 4 times before. This is the 5th time. And as you know, every single time you tap a resistance line, it gets weaker. So usually around the 5th, 6th, and 7th time we tap a line, we actually break through it and start a rally up. As soon as we break this resistance line, I believe that we will actually start having higher highs and start having a rally. And that's where this falling indicator comes in, because this falling indicator is a falling channel, which is a very bullish indicator, but it could also work as a bull flag. Now, if we break out of this bull flag, that would take us to around, let's see here, draw a line from the base and calculate it to here. That would take us to about $2,200, essentially creating a higher high, which could start a bull market and breaking this bear market loop. That is a very good thing, but if we do want to do this, we of course have to break this resistance line, and that is of course getting weaker. Not only that, but right now we are at a huge support area. If I grab my Fibonacci retracement and drag it from Corona dump all the way to the all-time high, as you can see, we get a huge support area right over here. The 0.786 area is exactly where we are right now. We tapped it as support. That is a very bullish thing, because since we have a ton of support, we could have enough support to break this green resistance line right over here. We're actually also having a ton of support from the RSI and stochastic RSI. As you can see, these indicators are both very, very low. When this indicator is very low, essentially when this indicator is below the 45-point level, it becomes something called an overselling point. When we are below 45, we are oversold. What does that mean? That means we are bullish. And together with the stochastic RSI, this indicator right over here, these could cause Bitcoin to rise up. These tell us when we're close to rising up. And the good thing is that because we're so low, because we were so low all the way over here, as soon as we break out back above this 45-point line and enter back into this purple zone, that is when the action is officially going to start. All we're waiting for is for the RSI to break above this channel and we will enter a bull market. Hopefully, we do not do the same exact thing as we did the last 3 times right over here. Last 3 times we tried to enter this, but we got rejected by these zones. Remember that indicators can also act, and indicators can also have their own resistance areas, which is very interesting. Not just charts have their resistance and support lines, but indicators could also have their resistance and support lines. Anyway, as you can see, this is showing bullish signs. The support that we're having shows bullish signs. We're inside of a bullish indicator, and this resistance line is getting weak. This could take us to $2,200, which would have to break through 2 other resistance lines right over here. But I believe that we can. And this is showing major signs of having a bull market rally. But what if we do get rejected? Well, what could happen is we could get a test at the bottom of this channel once again. If we do have to come all the way down to the bottom of this channel, then we would probably fall to $915 about. But that is the lowest we will ever go, and that is also very unlikely. The reason it is very unlikely is because we have fallen down so much. We have fallen 81% already. If we fall any lower, that's going to be like 90%, and we're going to be going closer and closer to 0. The problem is that we will never reach 0 because there's going to be people like me, people like other traders that are not going to sell no matter what. And those people are going to keep Ethereum from falling down. That's why there is a floor. There's a floor of people that are going to keep Bitcoin, keep Ethereum, keep whatever crypto they're holding, no matter how much it falls. That's why we have fallen 81% right now. We're slowing down because there's not that many people that are selling right now. All that's left is for us to either go sideways or for it to start rising again. That is why I believe Ethereum is almost done with its bear market. And not only Ethereum, but Bitcoin and other cryptos, they look exactly like Ethereum. If I show a Bitcoin chart right now, which I'm not going to do, it's also going to show the same exact signs as Ethereum. It's going to have a falling wedge, a resistance line that it's getting weaker, the RSI being super low. Bitcoin could also be getting out of this bear market loop again. Even if we do get rejected from that green resistance line one last time, then all we're going to do is fall down to $913, confirm support, and have a 6th retest of that green line, making it even weaker. This is why I think maximum, the longest we're going to stay inside of this bear market is just a few months. And so that is what Ethereum and Bitcoin are doing right now. That is what I believe will happen to crypto in the next couple of months. I believe we will break it and go up. But for now, this is the end of my YouTube video. Hopefully, I can keep continuing to make YouTube videos about Ethereum, about crypto for you guys. But for now, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.